Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial with your instructional technology specialist, Leslie Johnson. So today we're going to talk about how to use some of these Jamboard templates that I have been tweeting about. So they're using Wakelet, and this is basically just a resource repository. Rachel Kothab has basically a bunch of tweets that have some different templates there. So you can scroll through until you find the Jamboard that suits your needs. We also have Holly Clark's The Ultimate Collection of Jamboard Templates, which I like maybe a little bit better to just kind of browse through because it does have a few more visuals, I think. So you kind of scroll through, and once you find the template that you want, like, okay, here's a Jamboard check-in, you click on it, it opens in a new window. You have the view only. You're not, go up to the kebab and go ahead and click that so that you can make a copy. So we can change the name. We can leave it as copy of copy. You can click on my drive and find a place to put that. I'm just going to go ahead and click OK so that it creates my very own copy of the Jamboard check-in. Now, while that populates, we notice that there are 3 frames. So let's check this out. We have this first one that asks students, are you good? Are you okay? Are you bad? And then students would just click on that little post-it, write their name, and drag that wherever it is, wherever they're feeling. We have another template here. We have thumbs up, thumbs down, same idea. And then we have the 5-finger check-in. So let's say I don't really want to deal with that 5-finger check-in. You just click on the frame, and then you can click on that kebab again, and you can delete. And maybe I want to do the thumb one. So I'm going to duplicate a couple of times, and I'm going to click on the kebab to delete that one. So then I just have a quick little, how you doing? Thumbs up, thumbs down. I can use the same Jamboard all day long if I want to. Yeah, so that's some of the functionality up here for your jams. Now, if you're going to use this in class, you would already have your Google Meet, probably within your Google Classroom. But we all love that new feature of including that Jamboard in a Google Meet. And I just want to highlight that you can, once you click on the kebab down here, when you open a jam, you do have that option to choose from Drive. And I can search through my Drive. I can use the little search bar up here, but really all I need to do is click here to use my copy of the copy. And if I had more people in the Meet, it would ask if I want to share that with them. I'm just kind of doing this on the fly, so it's not going to ask me, but it would ask your students, and then they could go right in and do this quick little check-in. Hey, how you doing? We can see if people are doing well or not so well. And that's going to give you a way to interact with your students and maybe gauge their understanding, gauge how they're feeling. I mean, the sky's the limit. We have all of these great templates that teachers have graciously shared. There's the little stoplight. I mean, these are great for some formative assessments. So please, 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 when you have time, check out some of those templates and be brave. Try to use Jamboard. It's pretty simple for students and I hope for teachers. But if you have any other video suggestions or questions or what have you, feel free to reach out to me. And thanks so much for watching.